Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're making a delicious and healthy stir-fried vegetable and tofu dish. First, let's talk about tofu. Pressing the tofu beforehand removes excess moisture, helping it crisp up nicely when frying. Place the tofu between paper towels or a clean cloth and press with a heavy object. Let's get started. Next, let's choose our vegetables. Using a variety of colorful vegetables adds both flavor and visual appeal. Softer vegetables like bell peppers cook faster than denser ones like carrots. For even cooking, cut bell peppers into larger pieces and carrots into thinner slices. As we continue, you'll see how these elements create a delicious stir-fry. Now, let's make the sauce. We'll use a combination of soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and sesame oil for a savory and slightly sweet flavor. Adjust the amount to your preference. Mix well and set it aside. This tasty sauce unifies the flavors. Next, we'll cook the tofu and vegetables. It's time to cook. Start by frying the tofu until it's golden and crispy. Next, stir-fry the vegetables, beginning with the denser ones like carrots. As they become tender crisp, add the tofu back in. Pour the savory sauce over everything and stir well to combine. Ensure each piece is coated evenly. The delicious aroma is already filling the kitchen. Each ingredient brings a unique flavor to the dish. Up next are tips for customizing this dish to your liking. Feel free to customize your stir-fry. Add sliced onions, baby corn, or water chestnuts for extra flavor and crunch. Experimenting with your favorite ingredients makes this dish uniquely yours. Let's explore some exciting serving suggestions. Your stir-fried vegetables and tofu are ready. Serve it with steamed rice or noodles for a complete meal. Look at how delicious it looks. We hope you enjoy making and eating this versatile and satisfying dish. Happy cooking!